Get ready. Start. For the purposes of these rules, the expression military service means enrolled or commissioned service in any of the three wings of the Indian Armed Forces rendered by a person during the period of operation of the proclamation of emergency made by the President under Article 352 of the Constitution, or such other service as may hereafter be declared as military service for the purposes of these rules. Full stop. Any period of military training followed by military service shall also be reckoned as military service. Full stop. Next para. The maximum age limit prescribed for appointment to any service or post shall be relaxed in favor of a person who has rendered military service to the extent of his military service, provided he produces a certificate from the competent authority that he had rendered continuous military service for a period of not less than 6 months and was discharged because of demobilization or reduction not more than 3 years prior to the date of his registration at an employment exchange or the date of his application for employment under the government. Full stop. Next para. A person who has become disabled while in military service shall also be entitled to exclude from his age the period from the date he was disabled up to the date of his application for appointment to any service or post under the government, or till the end of the present emergency, whichever is shorter. Full stop. Next para. In case a person who has rendered military service does not possess the minimum qualifications prescribed for any service or post, he shall be deemed to possess these qualifications if the appointing authority certificates that such a person has acquired by experience or otherwise qualifications equivalent to those prescribed for that service or post. Full stop. The period spent on military service by a government employee shall count for seniority, promotion, increment and pension in the service or post held by him immediately before his joining military service. Full stop. A permanent government employee who renders military service shall earn leave during such service according to the leave rules applicable to him immediately before his joining military service. Full stop. A temporary government employee shall during military service be governed by the military rules in all respects. Full stop. The employee concerned shall be entitled to perform a promotion in his parent departments under the next below rule, and also to seniority in higher posts to which he would otherwise have been entitled. Stop.